Welcome to the Zain Facts channel, where we dive deep into the most intriguing mysteries of our universe. Today we unravel one of the most enduring and controversial space conspiracies, the Black Knight satellite. A mystery in our skies. Imagine an alien satellite orbiting Earth for 13,000 years, silently watching over humanity, transmitting messages that few understand. Sounds like the plot of a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you that many believe this is a reality? This is the story of the Black Knight satellite, a tale that intertwines science, history, and conspiracy theories. Segment 1. The origins of the mystery. The legend of the Black Knight satellite begins with the brilliant inventor Nikola Tesla. In 1899, while working in his Colorado Springs laboratory, Tesla detected unusual radio signals which he believed originated from an intelligent extraterrestrial source. These signals were later interpreted as originating from a distant star system. In 1927, Norwegian engineer Jørgen Hals reported hearing strange radio echoes known as long-delayed echoes, LDEs, which further fueled speculations about extraterrestrial communication. Deep dive Tesla's discovery. Tesla's discovery of the rhythmic signals in 1899 marked a significant moment in the story of the Black Knight. He was known for his groundbreaking work in electrical engineering and radio frequency technology. Tesla believed that the signals he intercepted were from intelligent life on Mars. His findings were met with skepticism and curiosity, but they planted the seed for what would become one of the greatest space mysteries. Segment 2, the 1950s space race and conspiracy. Fast forward to the 1950s, a time when the space race between the US and the USSR was heating up. In 1954, the New York Times published an article claiming the existence of two unknown satellites orbiting Earth. These claims were quickly dismissed by officials, adding to the aura of mystery. In 1960, a dark, tumbling object was detected by the US Navy. Initially dismissed as space debris, declassified documents later revealed it to be an American reconnaissance satellite. However, conspiracy theorists argue this object was the Black Knight satellite, cleverly masked by the government. Unveiling the conspiracy. The 1950s were a period of intense scientific advancement and fierce competition between superpowers. The detection of unknown objects in orbit added to the paranoia and excitement of the era. The Black Knight satellite was reported to be orbiting in a polar orbit, a path not typically used by satellites at that time, which added to its mystique. Segment 3. The name and the myth. The name Black Knight satellite was popularized in the 1970s, partly due to science fiction influences. Soviet writer Alexander Kazantsev's novel described a satellite from a destroyed alien civilization, calling it the Black Prince, which was later translated to Black Knight. In 1973, Scottish researcher Duncan Lunan claimed to have decoded the 1927 LDEs, suggesting they were messages from a 13,000-year-old probe from the star system Epsilon Boötis. Although Lunan later retracted his theory, the idea had already taken root in UFO lore. The evolution of a legend. The transition of the Black Knight satellite from a series of unrelated events to a cohesive narrative is a testament to human creativity and the power of myth-making. The 1970s saw a surge in UFO sightings and conspiracy theories, providing fertile ground for the Black Knight legend to grow. Segment 4, Modern Sightings and NASA's Explanation. In 1998, during the first space shuttle mission to the International Space Station, a peculiar object was photographed, reigniting interest in the Black Knight satellite. NASA identified the object as a thermal blanket lost during a spacewalk, but conspiracy theorists were not convinced. Despite NASA's explanations, the Black Knight satellite continues to captivate imaginations. Photos and videos of the object are scrutinized, and every unexplained signal from space adds fuel to the conspiracy fire. The 1998 incident. The photograph taken in 1998 became one of the most famous pieces of evidence for the Black Knight satellite. The object appeared black and oddly shaped, adding to its mysterious aura. NASA's explanation that it was a thermal blanket did little to quell the excitement and speculation. Segment 5. Scientific skepticism and continuing mysteries. Many scientists and skeptics argue that the various elements of the Black Knight satellite story are unrelated. Tesla's signals are now understood to be from natural celestial sources like pulsars. The LDEs can be attributed to various atmospheric phenomena. The mysterious objects detected in the 1950s and 1960s have been linked to human-made satellites and debris. Debunking the myths. Scientists have provided explanations for many of the phenomena associated with the Black Knight. Pulsars, discovered in the 1960s, explain Tesla's signals. The LDEs have multiple plausible natural explanations, including reflections off the ionosphere and other atmospheric anomalies. Conclusion. The Black Knight satellite is a fascinating blend of scientific curiosity and human imagination. Whether it's a misunderstood piece of space debris, a secret military project, or an alien artifact, it challenges us to look beyond the obvious and question what we know about our universe. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more intriguing content from the Zain Facts channel. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you believe in the Black Knight satellite? Is it an alien spy, a government cover-up, or simply a space-age myth? Let the debate begin. Stay curious, and until next time, keep looking up.